Hi, Jamie here, the Heads Teacher. Let's look at amazing online business ideas to start right now. After my last blog and vlog about starting a virtual business, I've had a number of requests about what other types of online businesses are there that people can make money with. As I mentioned before, you don't generally need a lot of money to invest in your startup business. And the best part is you can work from virtually anywhere in the world where you have an internet connection. You know, we're living in changing times, and if you're not part of the digital economy, then you are missing out. The best part is you don't have to be tech savvy or have a lot of knowledge of the internet. There are so many opportunities on the web that you can find something that matches your expertise and your interests. What you know already and have learned in your life is most often a heck of a lot more than the rest of the population out there. So, let us take a look at some of these. Becoming an affiliate marketer is one of the easiest ways you can make money online. Affiliates sell products for other companies in return for commissions. This can be quite easy and requires little investment on your part because you are selling other people's products. Whether you sell on your own site or through a platform like eBay or with ClickBank or JVZoo, the possibilities are endless. It's a huge industry. If you want to start an e-commerce store, you would have probably heard the term called drop shipping. This is a business model where you acquire inventory direct from the manufacturers and ship out products directly to your customers. There's no middleman involved. With companies like WooCommerce and Shopify, it has never been easier to start your own online store without having to have thousands of dollars in investments. You don't even need to worry about warehousing and delivery. These businesses function completely on autopilot. If you know how to advertise and optimize your website for search engines, you can sell anything from electronics to flowers and perfumes to handiwork. And if you don't, most of them have resources to help you with that. One of the best things about spending time browsing the web is the vast amount of knowledge you gather. That is why becoming an internet researcher could be the niche for you to build a business around. People pay top price to freelancers to do research for them on the web, or as they say, data mining. To start, focus on a couple of niches and become a specialist. You can then deliver great results to your clients and they will hopefully, happily refer you to others. Now, if you have a creative mind and can come up with short and catchy domain names, then domain flipping is for you. People pay a lot of money to own their own domains, and this again requires a little time and a little investment. You don't even need to be creative yourself. You can purchase attractive domain names at its registered price and resell it for a healthy profit. Sometimes when a new trend or a new company comes up, they're looking for new domain names. That's the time to jump in. But all these require your due diligence and homework before spending any money. You can also look at domain auction sites to find popular domain names. In the world of internet marketing, nothing happens without content. Even with the popularity of videos, written content is still at the top. So being a content provider can be one of the most profitable business models out there. If you're a native English speaker, it makes it much easier. All you need to do is sign up to a freelancing platform like Upwork or Textbroker or the others that are out there to get started. At first you may have to work for lower rates until you build up your reputation, but then there's no limit to where you can go. Even being able to become a published author for Forbes or Fortune and the others like the Huffington Post. Starting a blog of your own is all about creating and crafting educative content for a target audience and leading them towards better products and services. If you have good knowledge on a topic, you can always start a blog and share it with the community. Some of the ways you can earn money from your blog via AdSense and others, selling your own products or those of others in return for affiliate commissions. Generally, the larger traffic your blog attracts, the more money you will make. There are many other ways to make money online. These include, not limited to, becoming an SEO or search engine optimization consultant. You can get into web designing and coding, maybe sell ebooks or your art online, or even become a virtual assistant. The more people become involved in online businesses, the more opportunities will present themselves. As I mentioned in one of my earlier vlogs, the millennium generation today do not want to go to university and come out with a huge student loan and no job prospect. They want more. And the ones that are that are nearing retirement now know that they don't have enough finance, enough money put away to last them for the rest of their lives. The money will run out long before they do. This is the opportunity we've all been waiting for. To not only make ends meet, but to make a healthy living doing something that can be worked on from home or anywhere else in the world. Look, we must take action now. This is not only for you, but for your family as well. Coming up in other vlogs, I'll be sharing with you a fantastic multi-level marketing, home-based company that is miles ahead of its opposition with a product that you'll be proud to sell. It offers very modern ways of buying, taking commissions and selling, and offers one of the best compensation plans I've ever seen. It really is the way to financial freedom and financial independence. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends and family. The more you can do this, the more I can give you more information to hedge your future, to look after ourselves, and then to help and to teach others. Until next time, in Wealth and Wellness, this is Jamie at The Hedge Teacher.